Lassa fever can also be called Lassa hemorrhagic fever. It's a fever caused by a Lassa virus. The main host or reservoir of this virus is a rodent known as multi-mammet rats. The multi-mammet means that the rat breeds frequently and produces large amounts of offspring within a short period of time. Once this rat is infected by Lassa virus, it excretes the virus through their urines. Now, where can these rats be found? We can see them in the savannas and forests of West Central and East Africa. The fact that the rat can intrude homes and places where foods are stored contribute to the spread of this virus from infected rodents to humans. The signs and symptoms are similar to that of fever with slight differences. They include severe headache, sore throat, chest pain, vomiting, backache, diarrhea, coughing, general body pain, swollen face, eyes and neck, and bleeding from body openings like eyes, mouth, nose, and others. How then can one be affected with Lassa fever? The first one is by eating, drinking, or inhaling foods contaminated by this virus through infected rats. Also, from humans to humans through infected person's body fluids like blood, urine, feces, and other body secretions. By touching contaminated objects, exposure to open cuts or wounds. How then can we prevent Lassa fever? The first one is by maintaining good personal and environmental hygiene. This implies keeping your home or living area well sanitized. In other words, making your home unconducive for these rats to breed in. Also ensure proper refuse disposal. The second one, practice safe food storage to prevent rats from pestering them. The third one, avoid eating raw exposed foods. For example, drinking cassava flakes or gari, especially those ones gotten from the market. You cannot tell how well they were preserved. Ensure proper food selection to remove dirt before cooking, like rice, beans, crayfish, and others. Sometimes while selecting them, you will see rat feces in them. Select properly and wash before cooking. Maintain social distance and use personal protective equipment like nose mask, gloves, and others when necessary. Practice regular hand washing and sanitization, having in mind that your hand can easily contaminate your foods. Avoid carrying open cuts and wounds. Eradicate the vectors by keeping rat poisons or traps at strategic places and keep away from children. Lastly, if you notice any signs and symptoms of ill health, please visit hospital for proper diagnosis and treatment. Also save someone today by sharing this video. Prevention is better and cheaper than cure.